Hello everyone, this is Amir from FRAMINGSTOry. Today I'll show you my macro photography gear, lens and accessories. At first I will talk about lighting. This is fixed light and this is flashlight or torchlight. This is really important for macro photography. And these are some accessories. It will help you to produce better macro photography. And this is lens. Always try to get a micro lens with image stabilizer. Later on you can experiment with extension tube. You can use it with any lens and you will have a macro photography effect. And this is most amazing thing. This is multifunctional extension tube. This is really cool. I'm using for a long time. Camera can be any brand or full frame or crop body, doesn't matter. I have already attached all of my micro equipment like extension tube, multifunctional extension tube and lens. This will produce a extreme macro effect. How to make this extreme macro lens and what is the cost and what is the output of this lens? Watch the video from description link. Maybe it will help you to get it faster. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.